Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated Rbxfpsunlocker, a current Roblox client, and admin access. First, close Roblox completely. Task Manager can show leftover processes. Once done, temporarily disable overlays and third-party injectors because they conflict, Discord, Steam, and recording software especially. Next, run the unlocker as administrator so it can access Roblox process memory. Make sure your antivirus or Windows Defender isn't quarantining files, and add a temporary exception to avoid automatic blocking while you test functionality. You now focus on configuration. Open Rbxfpsunlocker and select the active Roblox process. Confirm whether the client is 32-bit versus 64-bit because mismatch breaks hooking. Then set your desired FPS cap and toggle VSync or uncapped mode. Remember that uncapped increases CPU/GPU load. Next, make matching adjustments inside Roblox. Set rendering mode to direct 3D or OpenGL if available. Lower or raise graphics quality to balance stability and frame rate, and lock resolution to avoid sudden scaling. You're finishing. Restart Roblox so changes take effect, then join a game and confirm FPS with an overlay or in-game counter. You should see the new cap. If it still does nothing, reinstall Rbxfpsunlocker, run it in compatibility mode, and ensure you use the correct build for your OS. Make sure no recent Windows update or Roblox patch introduced incompatibility. If necessary, roll back updates or reinstall the Roblox client to defaults. Tip: if problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.